Hey guys, today I'll show you how to siphon gas in Project Zomboid. First, you need the right items in your main inventory. You'll need an empty gas can. These spawn in garages, car trunks, tool sheds, and auto shops. And in recent game versions, you also need a rubber hose to siphon fuel from vehicles. Next, find a vehicle that might have fuel in its tank. Cars often spawn with some gasoline still inside, but many will be empty. If the siphon gas option doesn't show up, the tank may be dry. Stand close to the vehicle's fuel cap area and press V to open the interaction radial menu. If the car has gas and you're holding an empty can, plus a hose on newer builds, you'll see siphon gasoline in the menu. Click it. Your character will automatically begin siphoning fuel from the car's tank into your empty gas can. It takes a moment. Watch the progress bar, and once finished, the gas can will now contain gasoline you can use. If siphoning doesn't work, make sure you're close enough to the vehicle and your rubber hose is in your inventory if you're on build 42 or later. And that's how you siphon gas in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.